In this video, we will learn about our last cloud storage connection, that is OneDrive, like how you can sync your files attached in your OneDrive with the Odoo, like going to the module cloud storage sync and opening the cloud connection. I have created this connection where I have selected the storage provider as Microsoft OneDrive, and I have given the root folder name as OneDrive. Then I have enabled this option, that is enable backward sync active and proxy downloads. After adding the OneDrive credentials and clicking on authenticate with Microsoft, this connection was authenticated, and here you can see the OneDrive folder was automatically created. Now, going to folder mapping rules, I will create a new folder mapping rule for my OneDrive related to sales order. I will select the cloud connection as OneDrive and the Odoo model as sales order. Then the folder name expression will be from the name of the sale order, that is object.name. I will add some subfolders, that is invoices and customers. Then I will add one template file. Then I will save the save the rule. Once the rule is created, I will go back to my sales model and I will open any one record. So as soon as I will open the record, so I will be able to see this tab because a rule has been created for this model, that is sales model. So going to that tab, that is cloud documents. So here you can see the main folder has been created along with the subfolders, and the default template files is also being added. And in my OneDrive, if I open that folder, that is the root folder, so I will see the folders are created according to the records which I have opened. Also the subfolders are also created inside the root folder. Now I will upload one file from here. Once the file is uploaded, the process is under pending status. So I will go to cloud storage and operation and queue monitor. So I will be able to see like this is in pending state. So I will open it and click on force sync now, that is I will run the schedule action manually so that I will be able to see the same in my OneDrive. So if I refresh it, so the same file has been uploaded over here in the OneDrive account. Now if I go back under operation secure portal share, so I can create a portal share link for my sale order. Like if I want to share some specific folders from my any of the cloud storage connection, so this will give me one customized link. So I'm selecting the cloud connection as OneDrive, so whichever folders are created under OneDrive using our module, that folders will be available over here in the shared folder drop down list. So I can select the folder which I want to share. From here I can set the partner. For now I'm not setting any partner. Like if I will set the partner, so the link will only be accessible for that specific partner. Then I can set the expiry date as well, and then the access mode I will keep as read and write, so the partner will be able to make any changes in the shared folder as well. Then I will enable this option like allow uploads, allow downloads, and allow search and filter. Then you can specify some tags as well to the folders that you are sharing. After saving the changes, I will get this secure share link. I just need to copy the link and paste it on my browser, and you can see I will be redirected to the folder which I have shared. Inside that the subfolders and all of the files will be visible. You can also upload the files from here because I have enabled that option, that is allow uploads. Also you can download it from here and you can make any other changes. You can search the files from here. So this is the use of secure portal shares. Then sync audit logs. So this will show you all of the logs which you have processed for uploading or attaching any of the files. The next thing, after folder mapping rules, it is related to file tags. So you can create some tags to assign it to your files, like whichever tags you are creating, that can be applied to different files in your folders. Then by going to File Explorer, so this is a kind of a dashboard which will help you to visualize all of your folders related to all the connections that you have created in your Odoo. If it's selected as all connection, so the folders and the files related to Nextcloud and OneDrive, both of them will be visible. But if you want to see the files or folders related just to one connection, that is OneDrive, so you can select that connection from here, and you will be able to see that only one folder is visible in your OneDrive cloud storage connection. Then from here you can create a subfolder inside this. Then if you click on this option, so you will be redirected in OneDrive to this folder. Then open linked record will help you to open the record linked to this folder. Then edit settings. So if you want to give some access controls to only some specific groups or users, so you will be able to assign it from here and save the changes. So this folder will be accessible by the mentioned groups and users. Then also you can delete the folder from here and download the zip file of that folder as well. Now similarly for the files, like if you right click on the file, so you will be able to download the file, manage tags, like add tags to your file whichever you want. Then you will be able to open the same file in your OneDrive and delete the file from here. The tags created can be visible over here as well and can be created from here as well. Create tag, so a tag will be created over here. Then if you select multiple files, and if you want to move these two files to any other folder, so we have provided a button that is move files. So a pop-up will appear and you need to select a destination folder, like where you want to move these files. So if I'm selecting this folder and clicking on move files option, so all of the selected files will be moved to the selected destination folder. So you can see those files are being moved from here, and you can see the files are transferred to this folder. Also, if you select the file, then you can download the zip file for the selected files from here, and you can delete the file from here as well. Now in my OneDrive, if I'm uploading one file over here, this one file I have uploaded in my OneDrive. Now I will go and I want to see the same in my Odoo database. So I need to run the schedule action manually. So I will go to the schedule action, open the schedule action backward sync. As I have set the time duration as 15 minutes, so it will run every 15 minutes and it will be updated over here. Like after 15 minutes you would be able to see the uploaded file from OneDrive to Odoo. But if I click on run manually, so immediately you will be able to see the file over here in your Odoo database, that is File Explorer option. Once it's done, I will again go back to cloud storage and File Explorer. So here if I select my OneDrive connection, inside that I will be able to see that the file has been uploaded over here from OneDrive to Odoo. Then you can refresh using this button as well, like if any new updates you want to see, you can click on this button and the changes will be refreshed. Then if you go to the cloud connection and open any one connection, that is OneDrive, so you will be able to pause the sync. Like currently the sync is done automatically using the schedule action. But if you want to pause the sync for a few minutes, then you can pause it with this button and you can resume it again. Then reversal sync will help you to take all of your data from your OneDrive to the folder created over here based on the folder rule mappings. Like for OneDrive, I have this folder rule mapping created. So all of your data from your OneDrive will be restored over here in this folder in Odoo. Also, you have two options. Either you can just restore it here and you can delete it from OneDrive, or you can keep the copy in OneDrive and then you can restore it over here. Then after doing this change, adding this details, you can click on start reversal sync, so all of your data will be fetched over here or restored over here in Odoo. Then if I go to configuration and folder mapping rules, so this rule was for my cloud connection for OneDrive. But if I am changing it to Nextcloud and saving the changes, so I will be able to see this button migrate or reattach files. So it will help me to migrate all of my data from my OneDrive cloud connection to Nextcloud connection, because the rule initially was created for my OneDrive cloud connection, but now I'm changing the cloud connection to Nextcloud, so it will migrate or reattach all of the data from OneDrive to Nextcloud. So this was the functionality related to our module cloud storage sync for OneDrive. Thank you.